Want to make your pastries more special and more personal? Impress everyone with your creative pastry dedications with this alphabet cake stamp tool. Made of premium quality food-grade materials, the tool is ideal to use for fondants, cakes, cookies, and other pastries. Very easy to clean and features a transparent design for easy alignment and for you to be able to apply any food coloring ink on each letter. Kids will love using them too. Fun, unbreakable and with no sharp edges, they're completely safe to use for family or friends bonding. Very easy to clean, just wash with water and soap then have it reused again. Ideal to use for fondants, cakes, cookies, and other pastries. Made of premium quality food-grade materials which are non-toxic. Features a transparent design for easy alignment.